Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel an order on the Nike application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Nike application. Then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Nike if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top right corner, we have the search bar, we have your profile, your bag, and the three lines where you can click on and have, of course, your profile and check out some other things on your profile and other different options that you can see when you go and scroll through them. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel an order on the Nike application. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is, of course, go to the three lines, which we talked about earlier, and click on them. After that, you'll need to go and scroll down to the very last moment. Here you have your favorites, bag, orders, find a store, and help. Of course, what you need to click on is the orders, which is the third option or the middle option. When you clicked on orders, here as you can see, you don't have any orders. This is because I don't have any orders. My credit card is not working at the moment, so I can't make one. But be sure when you have your order, it will be here. And then, of course, here you can go and cancel it. You can just click on the order, track it, cancel it, do whatever you want with it. So that's where you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.